Hey guys, oh my god. My name is Olivia. I'm a content creator for Picsart and I am back with another vlog. I know you guys missed me. Stop the tears, stop the clapping. The wait is finally over. You're welcome. I can just feel the tears of joy behind the screen right now. Welcome to my Valentine's Day vlog. I am going to host a little Valentine's Day get together with my friends, which I'm super excited about. But yeah, I have a busy week, so I wanted to take you guys along with me. Let me know if you guys are digging the vlogs because I like doing them. So comment down below. Let us know. I'm actually about to go to campus. This morning I went to get my lashes done and then I pre-filmed some TikToks, which I'm gonna go edit now. If anyone sees me today, no you didn't. This is a little pouch that I got when I was traveling with my friends. It says supplies for creative living. It has all the things I need in case of an emergency. For example, Tide to Go pen, Aquaphor, emergencies only, right? I'm also gonna take out my trash, so I gotta do that, but I'll see you guys later. I have some work to do and I wanna make the invites for my little get together. I'm so excited. It's gonna be so much fun. So I wanna take you guys with me. Cause I was gonna take you guys with me the other day and I think I forgot, which is awkward. But I won't forget today. So I'm gonna go get matcha from the place next to my apartment. It's so freaking good, guys. It's so good. Hi guys, we're at Fresh & Co. Do you want to say hi?
Yes.
This is Lily.
Hey y'all.
She's gonna go to my Valentine's Day party today. We're gonna go to Target to find some cute supplies, party themed supplies. Yeah, I got a salad, spinach, blue cheese, extra blue cheese, mushroom, more mushrooms. What did you get?
Okay, I got a Caesar salad, but instead of romaine, I got spinach with chicken and no tomatoes.
Do you recommend?
Yes. I love Fresh.
Is that your go-to?
Yes.
Guys, we don't know where we are, but
spawn somewhere.
we came here for a bathroom and now we're at this like magical marketplace of heaven with all these good like food places and oh my god, this clothes, the clothes, guys. Is this not so cool? I think when everyone else comes, we might do these. These are cute. Also this one, but they only have one of these. This one's cuter though. But yeah, we'll do these. We'll do these. Look at the freaking squid bubbles!
That's crazy.
I want this so bad. I love fries. Oh, what the heck is this? Okay, definitely not then. Wait, we can get everybody little cards. Oh, these are cute too. To and from. This is so like, this reminds me of like elementary school. You know where you would like make those Valentines for everybody in your class even though you like didn't like people?
Yes.
This is so cute though. This is so cute. This is so cute though. Cookie kit. I love gingerbread houses. Okay, let's get a couple of these. We also have the little hearts. We could do like a painting thing. Wait, these are so cute. Oh, and then they have these ones too. Wait, these are so cute. Heart-shaped chocolate. These were turned on TikTok. What is that? What is that? We're back at my apartment. We are going to set everything up for everyone to come. If I don't vlog, it's because we're having too much fun. So I might see you guys either later or tomorrow. But okay, bye. Good morning, guys. I look a little crazy. We had so much fun. I did not end up vlogging because we had so much fun, which is good. And everybody was like, oh my god, your invites were so cute. Thank you, I made them on Picsart. I think they turned out really cute. I definitely want to custom make all of my invites from now on Picsart. Okay guys, I want to upload some of the photos from last night to Instagram, and I want to show you guys how I'm going to edit those. I'm going to go into color background. Because it's Valentine's Day, I think I'm going to do this pink color. And then I'm going to go into stickers and type in Polaroid. I like this one. We're going to go with this. And then I'm going to go into add photos and add the photo that I like of me and my friends. Look how cute! What I'm going to do is go into crop so that it fits into the square part of the Polaroid. So as you can see, you can choose square. Adjust. I think I'm honestly gonna do a film filter over this. Do they have a Polaroid? I'm pretty sure we do have a Polaroid one. We do! Oh my god. I think I'm gonna do Polaroid. I think I'm just gonna do regular Polaroid. And then I'm gonna go into text and say, Valentine's Day 2024. You can choose whatever font you want. I'm gonna do Love is in the Air because Valentine's Day. Shut up, y'all. Do you see how cute this is? This is so cute. Wait, I think I'm gonna add some stickers to this. I'm gonna look up situationship, which I did before for my Valentine's Day invites. I do love Will You Be My Situationship. That one's so cute. And then I'm gonna do Valentines. We're gonna do this one like here. Boom. So freaking cute. And now we have a Valentine's Day Instagram ready post. I got my coffee. I got avocado, what's it called? Ricotta, balsamic vinegar toast. It looks kind of disgusting, but I swear it's good. But yeah, I'm gonna cap off this vlog. I hope you guys enjoyed. Please subscribe. We upload new videos every Monday, and I know you want to see my face again, so you might as well subscribe. Make sure to go follow all of our socials. We'll have it in the description box below. Bye, guys.